name of at least 10 people that you met or you know present in this room. Everybody says I speak well. And then I realized that, there is something that is in me that makes it very evident that I don't like interviews, which even my interviewer felt. From there, trust me, because I hate interviews so much, I stayed in that organization for 8 long years. I never left it with the fear that I'm going to have to go somewhere else and be an interviewer again. I'm going to go fall in love with somebody and then marry that person if I think that I can spend my entire life. I truly do not like interviews. I'm just realizing that about myself more and more. And I hope you get some key takeaways from that also. Can we have anybody from the audience who can come on stage and tell me the name of at least 10 people that you met or you know present in this room? Let's begin with your introduction, okay?
I'm Meghna and Meghna Savatya, and I'm from Godrej. I head the Human Resource Information Systems team.
I thought that everybody over here is going to be very active on LinkedIn, but this first person I interacted with tells me that you can go and see my work and my thoughts on Instagram, which I absolutely love. Ladies and gentlemen, your first keynote speaker who's going to address and open this session over here is Mr. Harjeet Khanduja. He is an international author, a speaker, poet, inventor, influencer and professor of practice and an HR leader. He's also known as the R.K. Lakshman of business. Previously, he has worked with business houses like Tata, Reliance and Piramal, and currently he's working as Senior Vice President HR at Reliance Jio. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Mr. Harjeet Khanduja, for the opening keynote and for being so interactive with us. I think you all should do something since you are being captured in a video. Google, clap, say something. So we have a small token of appreciation for you. We would like to felicitate you. I would request our representative to kindly come on stage and present with the token of appreciation. Thank you so much for being a part of Mumbai HR Summit 2024, and thank you so much for helping us open this summit. A round of applause for all of our panelists and our moderator. I request you all to kindly stay back on stage. So we have some mementos that we would like to felicitate you. Dr. Soumya Bachchan, who very nicely pointed out that I need a lot. Trust me, I went for a doctor and he told me that it's okay, you're just sensitive. And I'm like, that's what my therapist told me. Thank you. Our moderator, Dr. Prashant Nair, please give him a huge round of applause. Mr. Jonathan Sternberg, can we have the applause go on until we reach the last panel? And finally, Ms. Shrela Nair, please give her a huge round of applause, and I recommend you all to present in the next.
Sakubay, fast, Sakubay, slow, Sakubay. Don't be bad,